Let's explore how a simple circuit works with circuit stickers. This is an LED sticker. The wide metal pad is the positive side, and the pointy metal pad is the negative side. This is called polarity. This is the Launchpad battery. It's the power source that sends energy into the circuit. It also has two metal pads, positive and the negative side. To move electricity between parts, we use conductive fabric tape. When the positive side of the battery connects to the positive side of the LED, and the negative side connects back to the battery, they form a loop. This loop is called a simple circuit. Inside the circuit, tiny particles called electrons move from the battery through the LED and back to the battery again. This round-trip flow is called current. When the loop is complete and current can flow, the LED lights up. Now that you know how a simple circuit works, let's get ready to build one together. You'll need one LED sticker, one Launchpad battery, conductive tape strips, 2 binder clips, and a pair of scissors. Grab your template and materials. Let's bring this circuit to life. The color lines on the template show the path electricity will take through your circuit. Stick conductive tape over the light blue line. Trim any extra tape with scissors. Now stick conductive tape over the red line. You can also smooth the conductive tape lines using the back of your scissors or your fingers. Place the Launchpad battery over the battery footprint. Make sure the plus and the negative battery tabs line up with the conductive tape. Use 2 binder clips to clip the battery tabs to the page. This holds the battery in place and powers the circuit. Now place the LED sticker over the LED footprint. Press it down firmly. Now watch the magic unfold as your light turns on. Now that your LED is shining, it's time to get creative. Flip to the next page and complete the scene with your own drawing. You've turned on the light, so now what does it illuminate? Share your creation with us using #Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.